everyone and welcome to my channel. For those of you new here, my name is Sweetie Ado and in today's video we are celebrating, what are we celebrating?
Holi hai!
Holi! Happy Holi to all of you and I hope you all are doing good. Kids enjoy Holi and there are so many memories related to their childhood during the celebration of Holi. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you how to make this enjoyment memorable post-Holi celebration so that they don't fall sick. So please continue to watch the entire video. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. And now, without further ado, let's get started. Happy Holi!
Happy Holi!
Holi is a popular ancient Hindu festival in India, also known as the Festival of Love, the Festival of Colors, and the Festival of Spring. Holi celebrates the eternal and divine love of Radhe and Krishna. It also signifies the triumph of good over evil. Holi is the festival that celebrates the beginning of good spring harvest season. So before we start playing with colors, we offer our prayers. Now let's see how as parents we can make our children have an enjoyable and safe Holi and have great Holi memories to hold on to. Use organic colors. Synthetic colors are a big no-no. Non-toxic, organic, natural or herbal colors are better as they don't contain any chemicals. It will be softer on your child's skin and will be easier to wash off. Apply generous amount of oil to your child's hair and tie them neatly. By this, you can protect your child's hair from damage caused by colors. Hair containing oil store less color comparatively and it is easier to wash it off. This will also ensure to prevent colors from penetrating deep into the roots of the hair of your child. Ensure to apply olive oil, coconut oil or any baby oil generously all over the hands, legs and face as these are the exposed areas where colors will be thrown. This will keep your child's skin protected and also help in removing the colors with ease. Together with the body, nails of your children should also be taken care of. To keep the nails safe from the effect of colors, apply a good coat of castor oil on their nails and the cuticles so that the colors don't deposit or discolor their nails. Lastly, don't forget to protect their lips with baby lip balm so that their lips are protected from the harsh colors. Now, as a parent, you are ready to send your child out to enjoy the festival of colors. It is utmost importance that you teach your kids about Holi etiquettes. They should seek permission before they apply color or aim their pitchkaris at people, and tell your children not to apply colors on people's eyes, mouth and ears. Before your child goes out to celebrate Holi, instruct them not to harm animals during the celebration. Many a times, stray animals are sprayed with water and colors which can be health hazard for them. Children need to be taught that animal cruelty is not acceptable.
It's not good for them.
Yes.
Also ensure that your child wears glasses so that the unwanted colors can be prevented from seeping into their eyes. Say an absolutely no to water balloons. The impact of water balloons at a wrong place can cause injuries to ears, eyes, spinal cord and skin of your child. After your child is done playing with Holi, make them stand under running water or give a bucket bath and let the color come out naturally. Apply liquid soap as it is more gentle and easy to rub it in the body. Keep a towel and change of clothes ready beforehand, and in case an irritation develops even after a bath, use lactocalamine lotion.
Hello Shreya, did you take your shower?
Yes.
And did you enjoy your Holi?
Yes, I did. Yes.
And how many colors do you play with?
Lots of them.
Lots of them. Is there any color in your skin right now?
No, a little bit.
A little bit. Okay. And did you apply cream and lotion after the bath?
Yes.
Yes? Very good. So say happy Holi to all of us.
Happy Holi to all of you. I hope you like this watching this video. Let's subscribe to our channel. Bye.
Woohoo! So I believe you loved watching this video, and if you did, please take a moment to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon in the next video. Till then, take care and embrace wellness.
Happy Holi.